Inside the security safe, you have keys and a security cable. When you first get the safe, to open it the first time, take the 2 keys that are included and open up the safe. Then take 4 AA batteries and put them into the battery slot to activate the safe. In order to reset your device, press the reset button 3 times. The next step is to add your digital password. Press the add button and input the password you would like to have. Have it be between 5 and 15 characters. Then once it's done, press OK. To add your fingerprint as a way to open up the safe, start off by pressing the add button. Then place your finger in the center of the scanner 6 times to add that fingerprint. Onnais security safes. Be safer, live freer.